The world of politics, another change is in the Umkhonto weSizwe party.
Yeah, it's President Jacob Zuma's son, Duduzane, is now the party's first deputy president.
He replaces Dr. John Hlophe, who's now been removed.
Yeah, Nathi Nhleko and other members have also been removed from high leadership positions, by the way.
The president hereby relieves Mr. Nkosi Nathi Nhleko of his responsibilities as national chairperson of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. This is done with immediate effect. President Zuma expresses his sincere appreciation to Comrade Nhleko for his dedication, his commitment and service to the party during his tenure. The president hereby also relieves Dr. John Hlophe of his responsibility as first deputy president of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. This is done with immediate effect. However, colleagues, Dr. John Hlophe will remain as party leader in the National Assembly. He will lead the Umkhonto weSizwe Caucus, consisting of 58 members. The president hereby appoints the Apostle Mxolisi Phakathi as national chairperson of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. This is done with immediate effect. The president hereby appoints Mr. Duduzane Zuma as the first deputy president of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The president confirms that Comrade Tony Ngeni is still the party's second deputy president.